Hello guys, welcome to see the Poseidon channel. Today I'm going to show you install our Zero-02-P type on WE PDW system. Now here we go. First, use the pattern, take out the nozzle guide. It didn't have the screw, so you don't need the screwdriver. Punch the main pin with the punch it and a hammer. Okay, here is it. Take out the original nozzle. Put the 02 inside. Make sure the spring's bottom has feed to the bolt's bottom's hole. And then punch the main pin back. Punch it. Put the nozzle guide back. Okay, and then pull it. Works very smooth. Okay, I want to tell everybody one thing is that our product all is according to the main air support business product size to research and design. So if you put our product on like a W original magazine, original bolt, original harbor bucket, it must can fit it. But if you put our product to the other repair kit business products, maybe have some error you need to modify. Thank you.